nice looking Goldwing too. All right, it's the idiot Goldwinger here. If you want to teach your wife how to drive a motorcycle, look at this. So she's running through the gears right now, learning how to ride a motorcycle. So she's going through the gears right now. You feel comfortable? Wow. That's really neat. You know, even the idiot Goldwinger needs a twisted T now and then, right? Look at this guy. Look at this twisted T bike. So I'm sorry, what do you guys sell here? Beer? I think this is where, guys, when you're going to get twisted tea, come here, Ocean City Bike Week. We're at the Pavilion, right? What is this called? The General Power Convention Center. And if you want some twisted tea, easy to find. Easy to find. All right, it's the idiot Goldwinger here, looking for anything Honda, and I can't find anything Honda, but for some reason, my wife keeps pointing to these sunglasses. What's up with these sunglasses?
Fuck, they're awesome. They're aluminum.
What? Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Do you see what he just did there?
So we have aluminum frames.
I'm sorry, sir. Do that again.
Yeah, all day long. These are all aluminum right here.
Wait, were you just stepping on something on your foot while you did that?
You got a little monkey under the table.
Sorry. Good grief.
Or we have nylon.
Ready? Down.
No shit.
Get it, monkey.
Get a monkey.
Okay, but there's something special about the lenses, because my wife is very particular, and she telling me to come here and check these out.
Our lens technology is insane. This is my #1 selling lens on the table. This is a transition that goes light to dark. You can wear them all day, all night. I can put it in any of the aluminum frames. I have it in the nylon frames as well, but these are the damn best riding. I mean, how long you had yours now? 10 years?
11 years.
They got their money's worth. All they're doing right now is getting a new nose.
So what about people like the idiot here that has a bad prescription? So the idiot's got really bad eyes. These are prescription. Well, I'm the idiot Goldwinger on YouTube, so that's how, yeah. So I am the idiot. I'm the only Honda Goldwinger here at the Ocean City Bike Week rally, looking for Honda.
So you take a picture of your prescription, you text or email it to us.
Sir, is there anything here that says Honda? So you know what? I got my OEM Honda seat, which I really love. I really recommend if you guys, if you have a Honda Goldwing, that you get the upgraded OEM Honda Goldwing seat. But I see these Mustang seats. I never heard of Mustang seats. Let's go in and take a look and see what's going on with these Mustang seats. It's the idiot Goldwinger, the only Goldwinger here in the bike rally. I was the only idiot in Sturgis. I'm the only idiot in Ocean City.
There was a couple others.
So here we have a custom seat. Sir, is there a seat for the Goldwing here?
Not here. We make them, but it's not here.
Guys, what's going on with the Goldwings, man? Am I the only idiot? I mean, look at this quality, and I'm the only idiot. I can't get one. I can't get one. Jewelry, bracelets. Everywhere I go, wow, that's heavy. That's heavy. That's really heavy. That's good quality right there. So I see that's amazing quality. If you're not here in Ocean City Bike Week, how can they buy that? Anything here?
It's very simple. All you have to do is go to sanitygewelry.com.
Sanitygewelry.com.
We'll be able to ship anything you want directly to you around the country.
Dude, let me tell you something. I picked that up. I mean, it's not for me, but the quality took me by surprise. So, sanitygewelry.com. We're going to cut it short because of the music, but I'm just going to pan around here. And if everything is like the quality of that thing I picked up, sanitygewelry.com. Wow. I mean, this stuff is really pretty cool, huh? Really? Oh, look at that. That's cool. It's a spark. It's a spark plug. Medication. Yeah. Definitely that.
Oh, what about this one?
I got that one on there.
Oh, really?
That's some nice stuff, man. Oh my God. Oh my God. The idiot Goldwinger finally found another Goldwing. Oh my God. Can you believe it? There's another idiot like me here. Can you believe it? At the Harley Rally.
I got a Honda too, F6B.
Do you?
Yeah.
Oh, I love you, man.
Yeah,
Thank you
they're
so
good bikes.
much. Oh, thank you so much,
Reliable,
man.
fun, easy to work on.
I'm so scared. It's like I'm the idiot Goldwinger, and my bike's being worked on right here.
Oh, yeah, you get lights on it and stuff?
Yeah, getting every
That's all I
light.
got. I was talking to them.
I'm getting all the lights. Maryland?
A really cool place to go check out is Blackwater National Refuge, south of Cambridge. There's a really famous bar down there called Old Salties. So check out Old Salties when you get down there in Fishing Creek, Maryland.
So Blackwater National Refuge.
Correct. Yep. It's a cool area to ride. Lots of wooden bridges.
Maybe on
right
our
by
way
the water.
home we can hit that.
You'll see bald eagles flying around and stuff.
I'm just shocked. I'm shocked and I'm stunned, and I saw another Goldwing. And I'm in so much in love that I see the idiot Goldwing, another Goldwinger here. But you know what, guys? You can't get this color anymore. This has got to be a 2023 or earlier. So remember, Cycle City in Rochester, Minnesota had a red Goldwing. So if you want a red Goldwing, it might be gone already. Don't say I didn't warn you. Because let me tell you, there's no support for the Goldwings. Everything here is Harley. So if you want a red one, you got to go to Cycle City. Okay, the idiot's back, the idiot Goldwinger, and the first thing I see that says Honda on it, I'm buying it. I'm buying it. I don't care how much it costs, what it is. If it says Honda on it, I'm buying it. I don't see any. I mean, is anything here say Honda? Honda, what's going on, man? Step up your game. There's like no support for you, for us.
You're registered, sir.
swag here.